Okay, Black Wealthy family, I'm checking in from Curacao. Dang, it's been a little minute since I vlogged, but it's the birthday weekend, so of course I'm finna vlog in Curacao. This is the intro to the vlog. I got here yesterday. It's Friday, April 10th. So I got here yesterday. I went to this little Mexican restaurant last night, but I've been chilling and everything like that. So today I'm going on this boat ride, and tomorrow I'm going on this little half-day excursion. So we'll see when we get there. But it's morning. It's like 9 a.m. I'm just out chilling. The boat ride ain't till like 4 this evening. It's a sunset tour. So I'm chilling, just sightseeing. I think I'm finna go see some of these murals, and then might pop into a few of these stores that's around here. But yeah, I'm in Curacao, chilling, and just take y'all along for the ride.
This is Cabana completely, and Blue Beach is on that side. You go to the left, to the right.
All right, I'm back. So yeah, I have not been taking any of these talking videos, but I took a lot of B-rolls, so y'all be able to see that. So what I did yesterday, I was walking around, did a lot of sightseeing. Dang, I think in my last clip, I definitely messed up. Cause I feel like I said it was Friday and I was tripping. It definitely was Saturday. Yesterday was Saturday. Yesterday is Sunday, my birthday. So I definitely messed it up, but I realized that later. But right now, um, I'm headed to like the city square or whatever it's called, because I'm about to get picked up for my excursion today. So we're about to go UTV riding. It's like a half-day excursion. So y'all will see the sunset boat ride I did. I put some clips in there from that. That was real cool. They had an open bar. They had like hors d'oeuvres and stuff like that. So I definitely recommend that if you come to Curacao. I booked everything through Curacao Activities, so you can go through them. They got a bunch of stuff that they offer. But yeah, I'm here in the square. It's so early. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. Even though last year I had Dave as my taxi driver, Dave, like he got me where I needed to go all over Turks. But here it's just easier for like the activities. Like where I'm getting picked up is right around the corner from the B&B, so it's like a 2-minute walk. So it's way better. But I do recommend. They say in most of these Caribbean countries, rent a car, which it is cheaper than taxis. For sure. Way more convenient. But like me, I don't like driving on vacation. That's just me though. I hate driving on vacation because me, I'm out that era of drinking all the time. So like when I go on vacation, I have like a shot or two. I might have a beer or whatever. So I don't be feeling like driving. So yeah, I'd rather take a taxi, a Uber, or whatever. Now, if I have to get in my bag, then I got to get in my bag and drive. So it is what it is. I don't mind driving nowhere, but my colleague Clyde, this guy is hiding my chest. See him right now and then he disappears. Alright, y'all, I'm checking in. I always start out saying I'm checking in, but I done cleaned up from the ATVs. If you're watching this, I should have threw some footage in there. Was driving around, hitting the different spots. Definitely recommend it, because I feel like all the excursions I done did places, that's like the most that you get your money's worth. Because it's like 4 hours. You hit all the different spots, and you drive around the whole island. And then yeah, you really see some stuff. So yeah, y'all should see some footage there. But right now I'm trying to find this restaurant I'm finna go eat at, so I can get something to eat, because it's like 3 o'clock and this is gonna be my first meal of the day.